Do you think installing a high CFM fan directly on the heat exchanger would help cooling faster? Yeah, pushing more air through the cooler is always a good thing, but only when the fan is running. When the fan's not running,
Right.
it's going to pose a restriction or it's going to shroud.
Even if it's behind it.
Yeah,
It'll
whether
still
it's
be a flow
before
path.
or after. So yeah, as long as that fan's running, it's going to help. And if you have it, if you have the control system for the fan programmed correctly, it should help reduce temps and keep temps lower by forcing more air through the fan. Through the heat exchanger.
Yeah, as long as you're getting more air through the exchanger with the fan in place and running than you would without it. There's quite a lot of air that gets slammed through those things at speed.
Mm-hmm.